Ready to turn your creative designs into a global Amazon business without ever touching inventory. First, log into your Printful account and from your dashboard, navigate to the Store section, click Add a new store and select Amazon from the list of marketplaces. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Make sure you have a professional seller account. As this integration requires it, authorize the connection between Printful and Amazon. Once connected, it's time to link your products. Go to the Product Templates section in Printful to create a new template. This template will automatically sync your product details, like title, description, and brand, to Amazon. Now for each design you want to sell, head to the Products page in Printful, choose your product, like a t-shirt or poster, and upload your design. When you click Add to Store, select your linked Amazon account. Printful will now push this product as a draft listing to your Amazon Seller Central account. You need to complete the listing there by adding your desired price, quantity, and handling time. Finally, activate your listing on Amazon when an order comes in. It flows automatically to Printful. Will print, pack, and ship it directly to your customer under your brand name, and even update the tracking info on Amazon. That's it. Your Amazon store is now live, powered by automated print-on-demand fulfillment, letting you focus purely on creating and marketing your products to millions.